The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Broward County in southeast Florida. This includes the cities of Tamarac, Sunrise, Margate, Coral Springs, southeastern Palm Beach County in southeast Florida until 10:45 p.m. At 10:10 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Sunrise, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. This storm is also capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. The tornado will be near Sunrise, Tamarac, Margate, Parkland, and surrounding communities. Take cover now in a sturdy reinforced building. Heavy rainfall may obscure this tornado. If you wait to see or hear it coming, it may be too late to get to a safe place. Take cover now in a sturdy reinforced building. Tornadoes are especially dangerous at night because they are hard to see. If you wait until you see or hear it coming, it may be too late to get to a safe place. Move to an interior room or hallway on the lowest floor. Leave mobile homes and vehicles for reinforced shelter. Stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 a.m. Wednesday morning for southern Florida.